Sky Blue Credit Repair Review is a comprehensive review of the credit repair company Sky Blue Credit. To determine if it is worth it, we need to examine its pros and cons. First, let us start with the pros of Sky Blue Credit Repair. The company has a good reputation and offers a range of services including credit report analysis, dispute resolution, and credit score improvement. They also have a team of experienced professionals who can help you navigate the credit repair process. One of the key benefits of Sky Blue Credit Repair is its affordability. They offer a flat monthly fee, which makes it easier to budget for their services. Additionally, they have a 90-day money-back guarantee, which provides a level of assurance for customers. On the other hand, there are some cons to consider. Sky Blue Credit Repair may not be the best option for everyone, particularly those with complex credit issues. Their services may not be as comprehensive as some other credit repair companies, and they may not offer as much personalized attention. To get the most out of Sky Blue Credit Repair, it is essential to understand the credit repair process and how it works. This includes obtaining a copy of your credit report, identifying errors or inaccuracies, and disputing them with the credit bureaus. Sky Blue Credit Repair can help with this process, but it is crucial to be proactive and involved. In conclusion, Sky Blue Credit Repair can be a good option for those looking to improve their credit score. While it has its pros and cons, the company's affordability, reputation, and range of services make it a worthwhile consideration. By understanding the credit repair process and being proactive, you can get the most out of Sky Blue Credit Repair and achieve your credit goals.